Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Place the switch face up on a flat, clean surface and wash your hands. Use a dust removal sticker or tape to pick loose particles, then lift the protector just enough to reach the nearest bubble. Why? Partial lifting prevents new dust from entering and keeps alignment intact. Once done, use a microfiber cloth to hold the exposed area steady while you prepare the smoothing tool. A soft plastic card wrapped in cloth, so you can work the trapped air out without scratching. You now perform the core action. Angle the wrapped card at a shallow tilt and press gently on the bubble, pushing air toward the lifted edge. Move slowly. Short, repeated passes work better than force, because gradual pressure lets adhesive reseat evenly. If the protector snags, lift slightly more and realign. If a dust speck shows, use your dust removal sticker on the exposed adhesive, then continue smoothing. This method prevents trapped pockets and keeps the protector centered on the display. You finish by lowering the protector slowly while running the wrapped card from center to edge to press out residual air. Then wipe with a microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints. If a stubborn bubble persists, lift only to that spot, remove any dust with a sticker, and reseat carefully. This fixes most issues. Make sure to press evenly so adhesive bonds. If a bubble still won't go away, the protector's adhesive might be damaged. Replace it to avoid screen distortion and ensure full coverage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.